You're searching for how to buy shares of Quadrise Plc, a company developing fuel technologies for heavy industry that trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker QED.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker QED.L to find Quadrise Plc. Select the matching listing carefully to ensure you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and the QED.L ticker to make sure it is the correct share. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.